Welcome to Ziltech. In the last few videos of in Python, we discussed arithmetic operator, relational operator, and logical operators. Also, we have been finished in the last few videos. Today, in this video, we are going to say about assignment operator. What is an assignment operator? As the name itself only says, assignment operator is nothing but assignment operator is nothing but storing the value from right hand side to left hand side with a symbol or with a character of equals to. The character of equal to. Suppose like left hand side, think this is a left and this is a right. Right, the value if you place like equals to, right side value will come and sit into left hand side, the right side value will come and sit into left hand side. Like syntax we have variable name equals to value, mandatories. Variable name equals to value, it is mandatory. Variable name has the identifier naming rules, and value either a integer, either a float, or either a string, any value, whatever the value, whatever in the right hand side we are giving, it will place into left hand side. This is about assignment operator. It is nothing but assignment operator. Suppose we'll take one example, like I am taking like a equals to 10. I am taking a equals to 10. Print a equals to comma a equals to comma a. Say the example, save, open command prompt. I saved in the desktop, and next py, and our file name is dev.py. Yeah, a equals to 10. This is about assignment operator. You can store anything. If you want to store string, you can store string. You can store string also. It is valid. Anything you can store. Either you can store floating point. It is also valid. Based on this equal to operator can be applied for one shorthand or short circuit operators. We have like this is, see, operator symbol is in a operator symbol. We have this is an operator symbol equals to, that is an assignment operator. Based on this combination, they are like shorthand assignment operator, or somebody will say short circuit, like a small shorthand like operator. If we are write plus equals to, first it will add and then it is assigned. Like we will write x plus equals to 10. Internally it go with x equals to x plus 10. If we apply arithmetical operation for equal to, internally it goes to x minus 10. Like this. Not only for arithmetic operator, we can apply for bitwise operators also. We can apply like and, or, exclusive, or, right shift operator, and left shift operators also we can apply. Based on this concept, we can apply there also. We'll see with one or two example with here, like we'll see. Suppose if I given a equals to 10, first I'll print the a value. Next I'll apply that concept, a plus equals to 5, and print a equals to comma 5 comma a. Save it. Example, Ctrl S, open cmd py demo.py, run the file. See, okay, spelling mistake, fine. demo dot py. See, now a is 10. Now a is nothing but 10. Internal it goes with internal representation is like a equals to a plus 5. A equals to a plus 5. Apply this all concept. Most of the times we use. Suppose if you are mentioning a space, we will get an exception. See, save the file and run the file. See, syntax error. You'll get an exception called syntax error, invalid syntax. See, here should not be a space, either it should be a attach, combine, plus equals to. This is a complete is an operator. If you are doing any mistake spaces, we'll get an syntax error. Now it is correct. Now it is correct. We can apply this concept for all. We can apply this concept for all, and I have not discussed about this operator, so I am not showing any example. In next few videos I can show example after completion of like bitwise operator. I can go example on this. This is an example. I want to apply exponents. You can apply the exponent also here, like b equals to 3, b equals to 3, and b exponent of equals to 3, exponent of 3, or you can go for simply 2. Print b equals to comma b. See, exponent is nothing but power 3 power 2. Save the file, py demo dot py. See, answer is 9. 3 square 3 power 2 is nothing but 9. This is about example of assignment operator. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.